mathematician, welcome again to our new tutorial video. I hope before we will start, you will hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Please, if you have suggestions, questions, type it in the comment section below. Okay, I will read all your comments. Last video, we discussed about rounding off numbers, right? Now this time, we will discuss about ordering numbers, increasing or decreasing order. Are you ready now? I can't hear you. Okay, you're ready now. I am ready. We are ready. So let's start now our tutorial video. Okay, let us have first two examples. Then later I will give another examples for you to try on how to order numbers. Okay, let us start first with increasing order. We have to arrange the given numbers in increasing order. It means that you have to start from the smallest value to the highest value, from the lowest to the highest. Okay? Now, first thing that you have to remember is that you have to look at first the biggest placed value. For this one, we have the hundreds is the highest placed value, hundreds also, and hundreds also. So they are, the three given numbers are under hundreds. Therefore, it is easy for us to order them because they are under the same level. Now, try to look at the first number. Which among the three numbers has the lowest number? Is it the 7, the 8, or the 1? Very good. It's the number 1. Therefore, number 1 will be our first answer. We will not just write 1, but the whole number. So 149 is the first number because 149 is the lowest value. Followed by, okay, try to look at the 7 and 8. So 149 is already taken. We remain with two values, the 704 and the 806. Now, which among the first two numbers has the smallest value? Very good, the 7. Therefore, our next number is the 704. And the last number will be the 806. Let's now proceed. Same thing. Look at first to the first number. Try to look at the first number. What did you observe? Very good. The three of them has the same number. So what are we going to do? We have to proceed to the next number. Very good. So let us observe to the next number because 999, they are the same. So let's try to proceed to the next number. 222. What did you observe? Very good. The 3 has the same number, still has the same number. So what are we going to do? Proceed again to the next number. 555. Now, what did you observe? Very good. So, all of them still has the same number. So, what are we going to do? Very good. We proceed to the next number. We have 305. Now, try to look at the last number because their last number are different. Therefore, we will observe to their last number. Now, try to look at the last number. We have 3, 0, and 5. Which among the three numbers has the lowest number? Very good. It's the 0. So, we have to copy the whole value. The whole value under 0. So, that is 9,250. That is the first one. How about the second one? So, 9,250 is taken already. So, we are remain with the two numbers. So, which among the two number has the lowest value? Is it the 3 or the 5? Very good. It's the 3. So, we will copy the whole number or the whole value. So, we have 9,250. 9,253. And the last one will be 9,255. And that's how are we going to order them in increasing order. Means, again, from smallest to highest. Let's try another example for you to practice. Let us now try to answer the first one. What are we going to do first? Very good. We have to first check the placed value of the first number. Okay? We have here the thousands. 6 is under the place value of thousands. 4 is under the placed value of hundreds. 1 is under the placed value of 10,000s. Now, which among the three has the lowest placed value? Very good. The 4, because 4 is under hundreds. Therefore, it is the lowest value. That is the trick there. If the given numbers don't have the same placed value. Now, 406 is already taken. We are remained with 6,847 and 13,409. Now, according to you, 6 is under the thousands place value and 1 is under the 10,000s placed value. Now, I will ask you, which among the two has the lowest placed value? Very good. It is the 6. So, 6,847 will be our next answer. And our last number will be 13,409. And let's proceed with the fourth example. Fourth example, first thing you have to do, try to check the placed value of the first number. So we have here the 10,000. 1 is under 10,000s. 3 is under thousands. In another 3 is under thousands. Now, which among the three has the lowest placed value? Very good. The two of them. Because 3 is under thousands and 3 is under thousands. Now, let us focus first in these two given number. Now, 3 and 3 are the same. So, what are we going to do? We will move to the next number. So, we have 9 and 9. Now, what did you observe again? 9 and 9 are the same. So, what are we going to do? Move to the next number. The next number is 6 and 5. Now, which among the two number has the lowest value? Is it the 6 or the 5? Very good. It's the 5. So, this value or this number will be our first answer. The 3,950. And because 3,000 and 3,000 has the same place value, therefore, the 3,965 will be our next answer. And our last and highest value is the 11,898. If you have comment, please do not forget to type it in the comment section below. And please hit the like button if you like our video. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay? See you again in our next video tutorial, my little mathematician. Bye! See ya!